In our yoga asana practice, we put a lot of weight onto the hands and wrists. In order to prevent injuries from happening, it's important that we learn how to place the hands correctly. The important key principle here is the Hasta Bandha, that is the energy lock of the hands. For Hasta Bandha, if you imagine that I'm pressing my hands into the mat now, we want to spread the fingers wide and then actively press all 4 corners of the hands into the mat. At the same time, imagine curling your fingers or creating claws. Of course, that won't be possible because the floor will be in the way, but it'll create activation through the fingertips. At the same time, lifting the base of your palm off the mat, creating a pull of energy upward. So let's have a look at what that looks like in action. If I go into a plank pose with passive fingers and hands, I can very easily go into overextension of the wrists, injuring the joints, and overall, I'm not very stable here. I'm kind of wobbly. If instead I spread my fingers wide as far as I can, press all 4 corners of the hand into the mat, and then curl the fingers, clawing into the mat, I'm much more stable here. My wrists are protected, and there's a lot of activation through the hands and the arms. Practice this Hasta Bandha in any asanas that put weight on the hands, such as plank, downward facing dog, or any other arm balances, and you'll make sure that your wrists stay safe and healthy. I hope you enjoy your practice. Namaste.